Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new role on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to invite team members to use your ClickUp space, and you want to go ahead and create a new role because it doesn't really fit within any of the default roles that are in ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead and create a new role? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to ClickUp. Then on the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click on our profile name. Then click on settings. From here, we're going to click on the left-hand side where it says security and permissions. And then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see custom role permissions. Click on new role. And then you do keep in mind that in order to create a new role, you have to upgrade to a Business Plus account. But once you go ahead and upgrade, you should be able to create a new role aside from just guest, limited member, and admin. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create a new role on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.